Hello, everyone, and welcome back to FluentTalks Podcast. I am your host, Sam, and today I'm not just going to teach you grammar. I'm going to tell you a story of someone who struggled with English, just like many of us, and how he found a very simple way to learn. Once upon a time in a small village, there was a boy. He lived in a place where most people around him could speak English very well. His neighbors, his friends, even the shopkeepers nearby. Everyone was speaking English, but he couldn't. He tried, but every time he opened his mouth, words didn't come out right. He felt nervous, and he asked himself again and again, "Why am I not able to speak in English?" He became frustrated. He tried books, big grammar guides, difficult exercises, but nothing worked. One evening, sitting alone under a tree, he thought, maybe I don't need to learn all of grammar at once. Maybe I can just start simple. So he made his own method, a very small, very easy method. He said, first I will only use 3 tenses, present, past, and future. And for that, I only need 6 helpers, is, am, are, was, were, and will. He started practicing like this. Present is, am, are. I am a student. She is my friend. They are happy. Past, was, were. I was tired yesterday. He was late. We were in the park. Future, will, I will study tomorrow. She will call me. They will play football. Every day he made small sentences from his life. He didn't worry about perfection. He just practiced these little structures. Slowly, things began to change. When someone spoke English, he was no longer scared. He could reply, maybe in short sentences, but correct ones. He realized, I don't need all the grammar rules in the beginning. I just need these simple steps. And that's the method I also used when I started learning English. No complicated books, no heavy grammar, just is, am, are, was, where, and will. Morning, I talk to myself in present. Evening, I write in past. Night, I plan in future. This routine made English part of my daily life. So if you feel lost in grammar, remember this story. Don't start with everything. Start small. Start simple. Make 3 sentences every day. 1 in present, 1 in past, and 1 in future. That's how the boy in the village learned. That's how I learned. And that's how you can learn too. Thank you for listening to FluentTalks Podcast. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.